Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We are looking at the 20 section on a 2019 Ford F-350 right now. Now, a lot of the Fords, the particular install method now with these and a lot of the newer Chevys, Rams as well, they have these console pieces. We used to have seat covers that offered a Velcro strap going across, but the problem with that was that you had this Velcro going across here, and it kind of messed up with being able to access inside your console. The method now is a sticky Velcro method. So you take this sticky back Velcro and you stick that down. Now watch our full install video, and we may flash a little bit of a method of how to do that. Is you want to warm that adhesive up. You warm that adhesive up. I trim the corners so then you don't have corners that are catching on these sticky back pieces, and then you warm that adhesive up, you take the other piece off and you stick that down, and then to finish out the install you take these pieces and you stick that onto there. So then that keeps this all clean on the front. You don't have straps going across, and then it's not a terrible install either to get that stuck down right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on this particular console. There may be other consoles that only require 4 or 3 out there on different years, but that's the same concept, is the sticky back Velcro method to keep this nice and clean on this setup here. So again, that's been the 20 section right here on the 2019 Ford F-350. If you have more questions with install videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also check out our other videos on how to install the seat covers, and see more all at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.